Alright DIYers, now that I've set my aluminium in place, I'll be giving it another coat of waterproof. Doing my third coat in the shower. I have this as my slurry. So we slap it on. Oh. Doesn't hurt to go up the internal corner again. I might just do another coat while I've got a chance just around my niche. I've got my mud mixed already. I've got a bucket of mud mixed, so as soon as I get the waterproof down in the shower, I can then cover it with my mud and it all sticks. So when I say DIYs, I'm doing a slurry. A slurry consists of my waterproof or straight cement or glue. I'll be putting glue on the outside out there and then putting my mud down. You must stick your mud to the floor, otherwise it'll all sound drummy, and that's not good because that's a bad sound. That's a tiler's worst nightmare, to hear drummy tiles if he's laid a floor. He goes, uh-oh. Nah, big mistake. You always stick down your mud to your floor. Paying special attention, see my finger? See this? Down to there. You always pay special attention to your corners and where your aluminium meets the wall. That's a biggie because it can be overlooked. You forget about it and then you can have a leak. Water is actually a pain in the arse, because if you do have a leaking shower, it's pretty hard to know where it's coming from. So when you're doing stuff, you check it, you double check what you're doing. And for a DIYer that's waterproofing, you're not doing it all the time, so be careful, because there's little tips and tricks and it's pretty easy to forget something. Oh, I like it. So that's cool. I'll where can I use the rest of that waterproof? Around the outside in a minute. I'll get this bed down first, but then I'll have another bucket. Pop that there. Now that I've got my fresh waterproof down as a slurry, I can bang down now a mud, spread it out. Like so. It all dries. The reason why I like to do a third coat, just in case, you know, there's a little pinhole or something. Beautiful. Okay. Give us a thumbs up, people. Subscribe to my channel. Push those buttons. You will learn to tile. Hang with me. Subscribe. Lean in. You'll learn heaps. See ya. Bye.